Welcome to A Random Walk Down Wall Street, a book that has been a staple of investment knowledge for decades. Written by Burton G. Malkiel, a renowned economist and investment expert, this book takes readers on a journey through the world of finance, exploring the inner workings of the stock market and providing guidance on how to make informed investment decisions. In this chapter, we'll introduce the concept of a random walk and how it applies to the stock market. A random walk refers to the idea that stock prices move in an unpredictable and random manner, making it impossible to consistently achieve returns that are higher than the market average. We'll explore the implications of this concept and how it challenges traditional notions of investment strategy. With a mix of historical context, economic theory, and practical advice, A Random Walk Down Wall Street is a must-read for anyone looking to navigate the complex world of finance. As we delve into the book, we'll examine the author's arguments and insights, and provide our own analysis and commentary. So, let's get started on this journey down Wall Street and see where it takes us. In this chapter, we'll explore the history of the stock market and how it has evolved over time. From its humble beginnings to the present day, the stock market has been shaped by a complex array of factors, including technological advancements, regulatory changes, and shifting societal values. We'll examine the key events and milestones that have influenced the market, and discuss how these developments have impacted investment strategies. The author provides a comprehensive overview of the market's history, highlighting both the successes and failures of investors and the lessons that can be learned from these experiences. By understanding the historical context of the stock market, readers can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities and challenges of investing. We'll also discuss the importance of diversification and how it can help mitigate risk in investment portfolios. With a wealth of examples and anecdotes, this chapter provides a fascinating insight into the world of finance and sets the stage for the rest of the book. Now that we've explored the history of the stock market, it's time to examine the different types of investments that are available to investors. In this chapter, we'll discuss the pros and cons of stocks, bonds, and other investment vehicles, and provide guidance on how to choose the right investments for your portfolio. The author offers a comprehensive overview of the various investment options, including mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and real estate investment trusts. We'll also explore the concept of risk and return, and discuss how to balance these two factors in your investment strategy. By understanding the different types of investments and their characteristics, readers can make more informed decisions about their portfolios and achieve their financial goals. With a focus on practical advice and real-world examples, this chapter provides a valuable resource for investors of all levels. In this chapter, we'll delve into the world of behavioral finance, which explores how psychological and emotional factors influence investment decisions. The author discusses the various biases and heuristics that can lead investors to make suboptimal choices, and provide strategies for overcoming these limitations. We'll examine the concept of loss aversion, which refers to the tendency for investors to fear losses more than they value gains. We'll also discuss the importance of diversification and how it can help mitigate the impact of behavioral biases. By understanding the psychological and emotional factors that drive investment decisions, readers can develop a more nuanced and informed approach to managing their portfolios. With a mix of theoretical insights and practical advice, this chapter provides a fascinating exploration of the human side of finance. Now that we've explored the world of behavioral finance, it's time to examine the role of chance and luck in investment outcomes. In this chapter, we'll discuss the concept of survivorship bias, which refers to the tendency to focus on successful investments and ignore those that have failed. The author provides a comprehensive overview of the ways in which chance and luck can influence investment results, and offers guidance on how to distinguish between skill and luck in investment performance. We'll also explore the importance of having a long-term perspective and avoiding the temptation to try to time the market. By understanding the role of chance and luck in investment outcomes, readers can develop a more realistic and informed approach to managing their portfolios. With a focus on practical advice and real-world examples, this chapter provides a valuable resource for investors of all levels. In this chapter, we'll examine the world of mutual funds and how they can be used to achieve investment goals. The author provides a comprehensive overview of the different types of mutual funds, including index funds, actively managed funds, and target date funds. We'll discuss the pros and cons of each type of fund, and offer guidance on how to choose the right funds for your portfolio. We'll also explore the concept of fees and expenses, and discuss how these costs can impact investment returns. By understanding the world of mutual funds, readers can make more informed decisions about their investments and achieve their financial goals. With a mix of theoretical insights and practical advice, this chapter provides a valuable resource for investors of all levels. Now that we've explored the world of mutual funds, it's time to examine the role of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, in investment portfolios. In this chapter, we'll discuss the pros and cons of ETFs, and provide guidance on how to use them to achieve investment goals. The author offers a comprehensive overview of the different types of ETFs, including index ETFs, sector ETFs, and bond ETFs. We'll also explore the concept of trading ETFs, and discuss the importance of understanding the underlying holdings and risks of these funds. By understanding the world of ETFs, readers can make more informed decisions about their investments and achieve their financial goals. With a focus on practical advice and real-world examples, this chapter provides a valuable resource for investors of all levels. In this chapter, we'll examine the world of retirement investing and how to create a sustainable income stream in retirement. The author provides a comprehensive overview of the different types of retirement accounts, including 401k plans, IRAs, and annuities. We'll discuss the pros and cons of each type of account, and offer guidance on how to choose the right accounts for your retirement goals. We'll also explore the concept of tax-efficient investing, and discuss how to minimize taxes in retirement. By understanding the world of retirement investing, readers can make more informed decisions about their investments and achieve their financial goals. With a mix of theoretical insights and practical advice, this chapter provides a valuable resource for investors of all levels. Now that we've explored the world of retirement investing, it's time to examine the role of alternative investments in portfolios. In this chapter, we'll discuss the pros and cons of alternative investments, such as real estate, commodities, and private equity. The author provides a comprehensive overview of the different types of alternative investments, and offers guidance on how to use them to achieve investment goals. We'll also explore the concept of diversification, and discuss how alternative investments can help mitigate risk in portfolios. By understanding the world of alternative investments, readers can make more informed decisions about their investments and achieve their financial goals. With a focus on practical advice and real-world examples, this chapter provides a valuable resource for investors of all levels. In this final chapter, we'll summarize the key takeaways from a random walk down Wall Street and provide guidance on how to apply the concepts and strategies discussed in the book to your own investment portfolio. The author offers a comprehensive overview of the book's main themes, and discusses how to create a personalized investment plan that takes into account your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. We'll also explore the importance of ongoing education and self-improvement in investing, and discuss how to stay up to date with the latest developments and trends in the world of finance. By applying the insights and strategies from a random walk down Wall Street, readers can achieve their financial goals and create a more secure and prosperous future. Subscribe to Fate of Money, and visit smartloansanalysis.com for more information and resources on personal finance and investing.